In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Amazon Music not playing songs. If Amazon Music shows a track as playing but the timer never moves, it skips instantly, or your offline downloads refuse to start, don't worry. We'll walk through proven fixes, from the quickest refreshes to settings that unblock playback. Start by giving the app and your device a clean restart. Force close Amazon Music so it's not just minimized, then reopen it. A full device reboot right after can clear stuck background processes that keep audio from starting. Next, verify your connection. Streaming needs a stable network, so quickly switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data to compare. Toggling airplane mode on and off is a fast way to reset the radio. If songs hang at 0 it's often the network, so also try loading a web page or another streaming app as a quick signal check. Make sure the app itself isn't the culprit. Open your App Store and install any available Amazon Music update. These frequently patch playback bugs. If problems persist, uninstall and reinstall the app to replace corrupted files and refresh its data. On Android, clearing the app cache can fix odd glitches without touching your library. Go to Settings, Apps, Amazon Music, and Clear Cache. If playback still fails, clear data to fully reset the app, then sign in again. On iPhone or iPad, there's no separate cache button, so removing and reinstalling the app accomplishes the same reset. If you notice delays when starting a song, lower the streaming quality temporarily. In Amazon Music settings, open streaming audio quality and choose Standard or Data Saver. This reduces bandwidth needs and can stabilize playback on slower or congested networks. When downloaded tracks won't play, open your library and switch to the downloaded view, then play directly from there. If a specific track keeps failing, delete it and download it again in case that file was corrupted. Re-downloads are also helpful after app resets. Authentication can also stall playback. Sign out of Amazon Music and sign back in to refresh your session and rights to stream or access downloads. 2 quick final notes. If only certain songs or playlists fail, it may be licensing or a corrupted playlist. Try rebuilding the playlist from scratch. And if you're on the Prime Music tier rather than Music Unlimited, some newer or premium tracks may simply be unavailable. Follow these steps in order, and you should be back to uninterrupted listening.